but now the silence takes its place.
Don't leave me standing